Liningas is a textile company. Here we are producing lining fabrics for casual and official garments, suits, dresses. Main products are from acetate and viscose yarns. We had a plan to reinstall new ventilation systems, and we said we should go for more modern and more new fabric ducting because of its light construction, nice look, and easy maintenance. Mostly conventional ducts are made from metal, and in our factory we have quite high relative humidity, and these metal ducts are cold and have condensation on these surfaces. Then it forms droplets which are falling onto looms, onto machinery, onto fabrics, making stains. And with fabric ducting we don't have such problem. Fabric ductings were installed in two phases, and the first one was in 2018 during summer break, and the second one was in 2021 in working conditions, so we didn't stop factory. It was easy and simple. I would recommend the FabricAir solutions for other factories as well because it's easy to install, it's nice looking, it's modern, and it's doing its job.